Hello developers. So today we are going to see the directory structure of Symfony 6 application. So here we have first folder is build folder in which we have console file, that is the main entry point of your CLI. So all commands will go through this file. Then below bin folder we have config folder in which you have all default configurations that have packages and routes. Those are sensitive configurations files, and that will be default accessible. That will be accessible your application. Then below config folder we have migrations folder in which uh, you will have all your database migrations file. That will be the place to store database migrations. Then below migrations, we have public folder in which index.php file is there. That is the main entry point of all your dynamic HTTP requests. Then below public folder, we have a SRC folder in which we have controller, entity, and repository. So this will be the developer folder in which you will write all your custom code. And in SRC, we have kernel.php file as well, in which it is written namespace app. So this line of code you will see in all your file. And this is the heart of the Symfony 6 application. Then we have templates folder in which we have all those HTML file in which you will see all those HTML tags. Then we have web folder in which we have all your caches and logs files. Those will be automatically generated at the runtime of application. Then we have vendor folder in which you have all your packages of Symfony that will be used by the Symfony, and those are generated or updated by composer command. But I will recommend you do not change anything in the vendor folder, otherwise it will be a problematic for your application. And if you want to use those packages, then you need to override those packages. So this will be our main SRC folder. This will be used for developer. And then we have .env file that will be used if you have multiple environment set up your application. You will change the tab to prod or stage if you want to change. I hope you understood the directory structure of Symfony 6 application.